I'm Katie and I'm the community producer for Roots of Our Tree. This year, 2025, marks the 10-year anniversary since the reinterment of Richard III in Leicester Cathedral. And to mark that occasion, we are celebrating not only that 10-year anniversary, but celebrating the people of Leicester as well.
You remember from our assembly, I showed you these leaves, didn't I?
Over the past few weeks, we've been working with 300 primary school children to create something which they will then use in an enormous procession, which is happening on the 12th of March this year. It's going to go through Leicester city centre, and then they will add what they've made to this enormous tree installation. The purpose of these workshops is not only for these young people to learn about Richard III and that story and how it relates to Leicester, but also to think about our links to Leicester and get them to explore their own ancestry and their own heritage and their own identity.
So about my initials and what number am I in the family.
This is a microphone because I really like singing.
And this is my religion, Hinduism.
I'm Tom Cleaver of Mr. Cleaver's Monsters. I'm a theatre designer and I specialise in giant puppets and big interesting things. It's a lot about celebrating the wonderful communities that Leicester has, people who've come and made a life here from all around the world, and their heritage and the things that are important to them.
My name is Anis.
My name is Sarah.
And today we've been creating patterns for our leaves for our parade. I've enjoyed the huge possibilities of what we could do.
I'm really looking forward to taking a home and see my family's reaction, and I'll be proud of myself.
We went to the Richard III Visitor Centre next to the church.
It's like an adventure for me, and I really like adventures.
They used a 3D printer to print out a copy of his skeleton, okay? Because his actual skeleton had to be buried. They seem to be having a really good time. Having the opportunity to get involved in something like the procession, it's piqued their interest.
My name is Anaya, and I'm having a fun time now.
My name is Ragad, and so am I having a good day here.
We have been doing activities, drawing, learning about Richard III. I'm really looking forward to the procession. I think it's going to be very exciting.
They've absolutely loved it. So we went to see the visitor centre and they were so engaged. I think they were just fascinated that all this history was in Leicester. And sometimes they're not able to go and see these places. So it was a very special trip for us. They've just been so excited to kind of walk in the procession and get all creative as well.
We're here at Leicester Cathedral, the schools have arrived, they've got their leaves and we're ready to go.
Fun because we got to go around the whole of Leicester City and celebrate King Richard III.
I thought it was going to be embarrassing because I normally do a dance, but it actually was so nice. It just felt like a dream, like I wasn't actually doing it.